Hi, friends. Welcome back to Tech Titans. I assume we all are having a great time with our family and loved ones during this lockdown. Now, as we are moving ahead towards Unlock 3.0 phase, I would like to take your kind attention towards some legendary stuff happening for the welfare of our country's economy. Yes, I'm talking about iPhone, which has already set a benchmark in the mobility world across the globe. The company has relocated its manufacturing operations from China to one of the India's smart city known as Chennai. In a major win for the government's Atmanirbhar India initiative, Apple has started manufacturing of one of its flagship devices, the iPhone 11, at Chennai's Foxconn plant. This is the first time Apple has manufactured a top of the line model in India. Our Honorable Commerce Minister of India have announced on Twitter about the significant boost to Make in India, bringing a top of the line model for the first time in our country. In 2017, Apple had started the domestic manufacturing of the Apple iPhone SE 2016 model in the Bengaluru plant. Apple also has plans to make the iPhone SE 2020 model in India in its Wistron plant near Bengaluru. Foxconn is a leading supplier for Apple, has planned to invest up to $1 billion to expand its India factory where it assembles iPhone models. Pegatron is the second largest iPhone assembler after Foxconn was also reported to make some investment in the country and set up a local subsidiary in the coming future. This capitalist investment will be characterized towards developing our market economy. The long-term growth perspective of the Indian economy remains positive due to increase in employment opportunities for its young population. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for your continuous love and support, friends.